Welcome to today's edition of Layoff and Employment News by Employment Boost. Today's date is Thursday, August 17th, 2023. If you are an individual affected by a layoff or if you are a company facing a reduction in force, click the link above now or in the description box below for more information about our firm's outplacement support services and how we can help you as an individual land on your feet faster and get into a new job as quickly as possible, or as an organization, how we can smooth the layoff process and assist with your reduction in force. Now, on to today's headlines. The layoffs at the Warner Bros. Discovery platform are continuing, with the streaming marketing team at HBO and Max now affected. Per Variety, there are no reports yet on the specific number of employees laid off, but the figure is supposedly in the double digits. These cuts come on the heels of a report on August 3rd that Warner Bros. Lost 1.8 million streaming subscribers during quarter two of 2023, or around 2% of their total subscriber base.